Cyber attacks are getting smarter by the day. Zero-day threats, ransomware, advanced exploits. What was safe yesterday might be compromised today. That's where Sophos Intercept X steps in with a bold promise. The endpoint protection solution hackers fear most. But claims are one thing, real-world results are another. So the big question, is Sophos Intercept X genuinely worth your money in 2026, or is it more marketing than muscle? Over the past few years, I've evaluated multiple endpoint protection tools, from basic antivirus suites to full endpoint detection and response (EDR) platforms. I've deployed them in mid-sized business settings, tracked resource impact, threat blocking, ease of management, and how they handled attacks in real environments. For this review, I reviewed Intercept X's latest 2025 to 26 updates, AI deep learning engines, anti-exploit layers, and tighter integrations with cloud management. I examined both the strengths and where it still falls short. Sophos markets Intercept X around three major promises. Claim of 1. Advanced multi-layer protection. This isn't just antivirus. Sophos says it combines anti-ransomware, anti-exploit, deep learning, active adversary mitigations, all layered to stop threats before they trigger. Claim of 2. Centralized cloud management. You manage all endpoints, policies and alerts through a unified console. That means greater visibility and less fragmentation in enterprise settings. Claim 3. Trusted and proven in tests. Sophos points to top rankings in independent tests and industry awards, implying you're getting one of the best solutions if you choose them. These sound strong, but how do they translate when your users, devices, and budget are real? Protection performance. Independent tests report outstanding scores. Sophos Intercept X achieved top marks in detection evaluations, near zero false positives, and strong performance even in enterprise and SMB environments. Usability and management. The cloud console is modern and consolidates alerts, policies, and reporting. For many organizations, that means fewer tools, less admin overhead, but some reviews note the interface can still feel complex for smaller IT teams, and the alert volume may be high unless tuned carefully. Resource and deployment. Impact. Some user feedback points to heavier than expected resource usage on older devices. One user wrote, "The endpoint performance has been abysmal. The agent uses a significantly high amount of resources." While the vendor says recent versions reduce footprint, device performance still depends on hardware, integration, and ecosystem. If you already use other Sophos tools, firewall, MDR, XDR, the synergy is strong. If you're mixing vendors, some integration gaps persist. Licensing is user or device-based, and for shared device scenarios, this can raise cost. Value and licensing. Pricing is premium compared to basic endpoint protection tools, but given the advanced features, that may be justified for organizations with serious risk. For smaller businesses with minimal threat vectors, it may feel over-engineered. Customer feedback. Ratings on platforms show good reviews overall, 4 to 5 stars, praising protection and ease of updates. Some criticisms focus on complexity of advanced features and slower support response in certain contexts. So is Sophos Intercept X worth it in 2026? Short answer, yes, for the right user. If your organization faces real-world threats, you care about ransomware, you have multiple endpoints, heterogeneous devices, and you want proactive layered protection, Intercept X delivers. It's mature, feature-rich, and widely recognized in tests. However, if you're a small business with limited IT staff, few endpoints, low-risk exposure, and you just need basic protection, this may be more tool than you need. The cost and complexity might outweigh the benefit. Also, ensure your hardware can support the agent without performance issues. In summary, Sophos Intercept X is a strong investment for organizations that need advanced endpoint security. If you just need good enough antivirus, you might want to compare lighter options first. It's worth the money, but only if you're truly using what it offers.